Well, very fitting that the February full moon is called the snow moon. It peaks tonight. And so if you do want to get out there and take it in, it's going to be very hard to miss. Make sure you layer up. It appears high in the sky, and although the snow moon is not a super moon, it will appear very bright. It is also known as the bear moon, the storm moon, and the hunger moon. And tonight, of course, it is going to be nearly perfect sky conditions to view that moon, with a mainly clear sky, but oh so very cold and slick on those roads. Right now on our Hunter Subaru Skycam network, we see a lot of well-treated roads. Certainly those main roads have been plowed, but of course we've had so much snow, a lot of it kind of packed down, some of it, kind of melted off a little with the sunshine that we had, and those secondary roads I think will be the biggest issues. But the bottom line is, anything that did melt today, that is refreezing tonight, and widespread black ice is expected to be an issue, along with very low wind chills. That's why we have that cold weather advisory in effect until 9 o'clock tomorrow for much of our region, with wind chills starting off feeling like we're colder than zero, about 3 below in Asheville, 2 below in Hendersonville, and 3 below in Newland, with the winds remaining gusty through the French Broad River Valley. Also feeling very frigid in the upstate. So the weather-worn day is on through tomorrow morning. And then later in the afternoon, our wind comes down. We go above freezing, still cold, but not quite as dangerously cold. Tuesday morning, not a weather-worn day. However, these wind chills will be pretty uncomfortable if you don't properly layer up, feeling as cold as teens, but quite an improvement compared to what we had this morning and tomorrow morning. Right now around the region, we can see our temperatures dropping. Many places in the upstate got well above freezing today, and with significant snow there. Of course, they had some snow melt. Refreezing down there could really be quite an issue. And then, of course, we in the mountains, a lot of our snow with us remaining below freezing didn't melt much, but enough where that little bit of melt and refreeze could cause some big problems. Winds will continue to be brisk as we go on into the evening, although the gust will be coming down later on tonight. Still a bit breezy in some locations to begin your Monday morning. Of course, some places are beginning the day with calm or light wind. Not Asheville, though, still a little bit breezy. And eventually even that we will see change. Our next weather maker is going to be moving in here Tuesday evening late. And this is going to initially be a rain-snow mix, a lot more rain than wintry mix. In fact, we don't see much besides green for that morning commute time on Wednesday. There could be a little bit of sleet and freezing rain mixing in there, but we only go down to 32 degrees on Wednesday morning, so anything frozen doesn't last long. However, there could be some light snow shower activity that will fill in behind this as we go on into Wednesday night, Thursday morning. This looks like a lot on Futurecast, but we're still talking very light accumulations. Tomorrow morning, we are starting off cold, around 7 degrees. Highs tomorrow, we finally break out of freezing. Our high today only 24, 37 will seem pretty warm in comparison. Weather-worn day on through the morning. And then we have some milder days with highs in the 40s, but overall cooler than average for the coming week.
And tomorrow